Blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, you beautiful people. How you guys doing this morning? Alright guys, today is a wonderful morning, a little chilly. The sun already start coming out, but it's feeling beautiful. The air feels so fresh. You know, sometimes when you come outside and you take that, it's important to take a deep breath when you come out in the morning. Very important. You take that. It's very important. It's also important to stretch. Do some stretching in the morning. Help your bone to function properly. But anyhow, to the topic, it's about the herb garden challenge and why we should grow herbs and why did I decide to start a herb garden challenge. As you can see guys, you know I grow my own food, I grow my own herbs, I grow my own vegetables, and I'm loving it. This is mustard green. So tasty. You don't need anything, no dressing. These things grow organic. And the taste, you could naturally taste the rich nutrients coming out of them. These are the things that heals your body. These are the things that help your body. Alright? But anyhow, and this is some herbs I harvested yesterday. I'm drying them, I want the air dry. And when I done, I'm gonna blend them and put them in a jar. So I already start storing herbs already. But anyhow, these are fresh herbs. These herbs grow organic. No thought of pesticides, no chemical. These grow natural. Check out my videos and you want to see how I grow my food, my herbs, everything. Alright? The thing is, when you grow your food natural and you grow it yourself, you have a more control of what you put around the food. And you have more control in receiving more nutrition from your plant because you're the one who doing it. Like these, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these, dry them and use them for seasoning, right? You're gonna use them for seasoning. Like to flavor your pot. Alright? But anyhow, many people buy seasoning. Many people buy seasoning, right? But the thing is, there's a lot of writing on the bottles that tells you what's in this seasoning. And you don't read anything. You just buy it because you like what the name. Oh, let me try this. But you never try to read what's actually in this container. We don't know if this thing could do good for us or it could harm you. You don't know if these things benefit you in any way. But we don't do no research, we just go and buy them and start using them. This is where the herb garden challenge comes in. The herb garden challenge comes in where we grow in different type of herbs. And you actually growing them yourself. So you have the ability to grow and learn about herbs. You have the ability to put what you want around your herbs, which I recommend growing them naturally. But at the same time, this herb garden challenge means so much. I'm just hoping that people understand the power of this thing. You see what I'm saying? And really take this thing serious. Because You buying these things in this container, you have no idea what in them, you read nothing, so you have no idea what's inside them. But by you growing your own herbs, make you know what you eating, make you get more nutrition out of what you eating, make your body get healed from what you eating. Sometimes you got to understand, sometimes when you buy vegetables and herbs, you got to understand that these things is in the freezer or whatever for a long period of time sometimes. And sometimes these things really have no benefit inside them. All the nutrition, everything dries out already. You have the ability to grow some fresh herb, even as in a container. This is the power of the Herb Garden Challenge. And I don't know, but it seems like many people don't want that power in their hand. Many people still satisfied with just going to the store and buy whatever in the bottle and they go with that, which is fine. That's your decision. But if we're trying to get healthy and keep our body fit and strong, we got to put in the extra work for that. So if you claim you are a gardener or you're doing gardening, what is the excuse? You see? What is the excuse? I believe in eating healthy. I'm a big fan of that. And this year I changed my diet. So I'm gonna eat more vegetables, more leafy greens, more mustard green, more lettuce, more celery. These are the things I'm gonna be eating throughout this summer. Why? Because I'm trying to keep my body fit and strong. Keep my body going. Keep my body moving. It takes effort for that. So if you're growing your own food, try to do what makes sense. Try to do what makes sense. Alright? So how you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing pretty good. I'm just eating vegetables. I grow these and they're tasty as forever. Alright? Hope this video motivates you guys to grow some herbs, grow your own vegetables. I hope so, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Peace.